Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Magicraft game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for the Steam website, simply open it. Now here you'll see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this login option. Now here guys, simply sign into your account. And guys, if you don't have an account, then you need to create account on Steam to download this game. Just click on the create an account option. So once you create the account, then you need to download and install the Steam on your PC. Just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Then just click on the option of install Steam, then download the Steam and install it on your PC. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Magicraft. Now this game appear on the top, so simply open up this Magicraft game. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So if you want to download this game demo version, so just click on the option of add to library you are seeing. But this is the demo version. If you want to download and install the original game, then just click on the option of add to cart, then click on the option of continue to payment. Guys, simply click on the option of PayPal and here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the library of the Steam and on the left hand side just find this game, then just click on that, click on install, and this is how you can download and install the Magicraft game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.